This is Mama Miche, and today in my magic kitchen, crispy rice salad. Yeah, I'm jumping on another culinary bandwagon. If you love food and trying new recipes, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook Reels have to factor into your access and ability to see and try something new to you. Influencers have influenced me. This introduction to new foods and cultural blending is one of the more positive and inspiring parts of today's internet experience. You hear about these viral trends and recipes. If you know me, you've heard me say I'll try anything once, maybe twice. I'm willing to jump on the bandwagon to try a tasty new food trend, but I gotta do it my way. So, welcome to my version of the viral crispy rice salad recipe made with love here in Mama Miche's Magic Kitchen. We make your kitchen magic, okay? All right, this is my version of the viral crispy rice. Oh yeah, that's good. Let's eat.